Wabarakatuh. Welcome again to my vlog. I want to review this video from English class, and now I want review videos about motivation. If you still young, you must doing so much do. Okay. Today we are diving deep into a powerful statement of advice delivered by one of the world's most influential entrepreneurs, Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. Okay, this is a motivational speech filled with platitudes. It does of hurt reality for anyone looking to build something meaningful must start by embracing fundamental through young people are the solution for tomorrow and the key to overcoming courage is believers that staying connection with the youth keeps one energetic. However, his core message is a necessary counterpoint to the idea of instant success. Season 1: The non-negotiable price of success. The first and most critical piece of advice my offers is that nothing is easy and nothing is free. If you aspire to be successful, you absolutely must be willing to pay the price. Whereas, uh, you who is it? Alibaba's journey as the prime example, achieving their craft says took years, 18 years. And well, they were lucky instant the worked much harder. That most people we never sleep well and thought in the evening. It reflects last year 6, 7 hours a year in the plant. I'm working hard. My team working very hard. 18 years we work like a normal company 70 years day and night. This anecdote powerful illustration that success is not a sudden event, but the result of relentless, sustained effort over a long period. The idea that nothing is free, okay, is direct challenge to the quick fix mentality prevalent today, and now season 2, the imperative to think differently. If had if hard work is the engine, unique thinking is the steering wheel, stress that to success, you have to think different and do different. His there is fascinating all from the early days of Alibaba. When some ideas to come to my desk, Jack is great idea. And I look at everybody say it as a good idea. I normally throw into the rubbish. Why? Because if everyone agrees it's a good idea, that's all the other people are already thinking it. Think it. Think, thinking it. The real opportunity lies in the problem that everyone else believes are going to be a free talk. My interested in the question, picking them up and asking how can we do it a different way. This is the sense of being unique and different innovation often requires tackling challenge that others avoid and finding an unconventional path to solve them. What I want to thinking.
Don't worry, bro. Let's speak about that. You ready?
Session 3, the philosophy of the three dice. Okay, perhaps the most created and proven piece of advice in this judgment in Mars philosophy on perseverance, which he tells himself every day. Today is very tall, tomorrow is more darker. Darker, apa sih?
Tugel.
Gagal. Ngawur. The day of tomorrow is beautiful, but most people did tomorrow evening. This is
Tugel.
a strike warning about the valley of despair that exists between the initial struggle and eventual success. Many people give up when the struggle intensifies on tomorrow evening, just before the beautiful day arrives.
Banyak asalnya.
He encourages us to view every talk
Jadi
day
online
and
ini.
every talk situation as training for
Jadi
yourself.
online ini.
Furthermore, measurements a gradient that will give you
Sering itu
feel
sampai
a diploma is merely a certificate. The real challenge and the real action start with your life, college, and enter real life. The confidence gained from survival cycle should be channeled into facing the challenge of the future. Section 4, Opportunity, Mistake, and Accountability may addresses the common feeling among young people that all the great opportunities were taken by previous generation, hitting figures like Bill Gates and Larry Ellison. He admitted her as using to think the same way, believing her I not to hide. His religion was that opportunity often arises when everybody complained. Instead of aiming for global domination, immediately her focus on aiming to support and help the people around him and doing tiny things well. Well, the role of mistake. Mas is clear that he does consider himself a smart person, but works with many smart people. The key difference is that most smart people when quick, easy success. Well, my belief is it's not easy to be successful quickly. His strategy involves one, preparing for changes of everything they do. Two, working with smart people. Three, making a lot of mistakes and never give up. They learn from mistake, while others give up when they fail. The litmus test for success. Finally, offers a powerful litmus test to judge whether a person will be successful. Accountability. You will judge when this person will be successful or not by when he feels hurting it his fault or the other fault. Unsuccessful people think their failure is because of trust others. And successful people who fail always think it's my fault. I cannot do it properly. I should change here. I change there. These are the people who have opportunities. Okay, maybe that's all I can tell you about this review my videos. Thank you for your attention and your reaching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.